Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to use a speed loader by the end of this video. The speed loader that I'm using in this video is the Airsoft or Airsoft. I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to say it. I'm not the best at English, but that's not the point of this video. For step 1 of the speed loader is you have this right here. If you want to lock it, you press this in like this, and there's a little button right there. Sometimes it'll be on the other side, like that, and if you press that in while you're holding that, it'll lock it in place, so that way it doesn't like shoot BBs out the end right there. To unlock it, it's pretty simple. You just press the button again like this, the other way, and it will come out like that. So let's load this up with BBs. I got my BB bottle right here with some Elite Force, and let's just open this up and fill it with BBs. So you do this like that. Pretty simple. You just kind of pop it open and you just pour the BBs until it's full, like this. That's about it. So right about there. Sometimes there'll be too many like that, and you just kind of like put it back in the bottle. Now that it's full, let's test it on some magazines, just to kind of get the idea of how it works. The first magazine we have here is a pretty common M4 mag. It works in a lot of guns, so the way you want to do it is you just bring it to the top like this, connect it. Make sure you're kind of pressing a little bit hard, like that. Make sure it's connected, and you just do this. You also might have to shake it every once in a while, just to make sure the BBs are in here. That's where they're supposed to be. So, just keep that in mind. Just kind of do this for a little bit. Until it's full, like this. Once it's full, you'll have some sorry about that. I don't know what I'm even saying.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Once it's full, you'll have a little bit of resistance. So you'll see like the BB will kind of like come out. That's your signal that it's full and you need to stop loading. Anyways, let's move on to the next magazine. This one's a pistol mag. I'm not exactly sure what... Well, there we go, Walther. But the way you fill this one up, I think there's two different ways. So the first way, you can bring this like spring down all the way to here, and then you just like press down like this and then fill it up. Or the second way is you can just fill it in from the top. It's up to you, you can do whichever one you want, but I prefer to do it from the top. Some of y'all are probably gonna be in the comments telling me, you're not supposed to do it like that. I don't like that, you know? And that's totally fine. I'm gonna expect to get some pushback on this, but I'm doing it anyways. So, just kinda do like this until it's full. And then, there you go. Pretty simple. Now we're moving on to the revolver mag, right here. So, pretty simple once again. You just do like that. You kind of just dab each one. This one's pretty difficult to do with a speed loader, so but it isn't impossible. But I would definitely recommend doing this one by hand. So yeah. Also, just a quick side note: if you want to support the channel for free, be sure to hit that subscribe button right there, and also hit that thumbs up button for me, so that way it helps the channel out. It helps us grow and get that number closer to 10,000. Hey, somebody just did it right now. I'm actually surprised. Anyways, let's try using the speed loader on the last magazine, this one. There are some mags that have this little opening right here. So to use the speed loader on these, you're just gonna kind of want to like do this and add BBs to that little opening. You could do that, or you could just do this. This is what I like to do. You just add your BBs, and we're almost out, so we have to reload. So just add it to here. Until it's full, like that. Anyways guys, thank you for checking out today's video. I hope you learned something from this, because I'm not the best at explaining things. So drop a comment below with any questions you might have or critiques for my next video, because I'm trying to make my betters. Bro, you see how I can't speak?
You serious?
I'm always trying to make my videos better for you guys, so definitely drop some knowledge in the comments that you guys have if you know more than I do about these certain things, so that way like we can all grow from this. Anyways, I'm pretty sure this covers how to use a speed loader, so I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment as always and I'll respond. So don't forget to hit that subscribe logo below, as well as that like or heart logo, because YouTube's changing things constantly now. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. This is Command Adventures, signing out.